The COVID-19 pandemic turned the world on its head. The way we work, eat, and connect looks very different from the pre-pandemic world of 2019. While every industry is beginning to settle into a new normal, shopping was already undergoing big changes before the pandemic. Businesses that rely on bricks and mortar locations were still adapting to compete with e-commerce. So today we're going to Seville, Spain, where the AV community is making a big splash by putting a new spin on the in-person shopping experience.
The shopping malls, they are not only a place to shop and go to buy things. They are experiential places where people go to live different experiences.
Helena Gonzalez is a digital art manager with Necsum Trison, a digital art and entertainment studio with offices all around the world. Their client in Spain was looking to attract new customers to Lagoh Seville by creating a modern and innovative shopping experience. For the team at Necsum Trison, it all began with local inspiration.
The client wanted the customers to feel like home, and that's why some of the contents have these civilian or local touches to make them feel like they were at home, in fact.
Taking their cues from local architecture, LED displays feature the iconic landscapes, landmarks, and wildlife of Seville. After they've been welcomed into the space, an interactive digital cylinder encourages customers to engage and have fun.
Yeah, people really appreciate these kind of interactivities. Playing with the mobile phone, you can launch visual effects to the cylinder. And the other one is that you can send personalized messages. There have already been some declarations of love through this support, so it's a very funny element and they enjoy it a lot.
While shoppers love the digital elements inside the mall, Helena's team decided to create something even more incredible outside. And once again, they found inspiration by simply looking out the front door.
The shopping mall is called Lago because, in Spanish it's lake. And yeah, so they wanted to create something impressive in this characteristic and special point of the shopping center.
Impressive would be an understatement. Using water from the lake, a hologram water fountain lights up the evening sky.
The hologram is a night show in which we use a water curtain as a canvas. We unite light, sound, and also projections to create a very special show every night.
And for Helena, seeing the reaction of the crowd gives her a tremendous sense of pride.
When it was the inauguration night, I was not looking at the hologram itself, but I was looking for some expressions and emotions and people's faces. I would say I'm always amazed by the power of technology and experiences to connect with people. It's amazing to see how they enjoy it and the content, of course, and how they value a job well done.
To check out more episodes of how they do that, subscribe and follow us on social media. And if you know of an amazing AV experience we should feature, email us at video@avixa.org. Businesses that rely on bricks and mortar locations were already beginning to